We are in North Granby today, and boy, do we have a nice open floor plan here for you. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. All right, Steph, we started inside because I just absolutely love this area. So
Great house.
yeah, take us around. You do your thing.
All right, come on.
This first floor here is just an entertainer's dream.
I love the open floor plan, and check out that wood stove over there.
All right, take me over to this kitchen. I absolutely love this kitchen, the counters, the backsplash, the cabinets.
What about the island for entertaining?
Love those islands and the black stainless steel.
So the kitchen flows nicely into the dining room. I love all the natural light that this house offers.
Let's go check out the first floor bath and then a room currently being used as an office.
Yeah, so it could be a great front to back living room or really convenient first floor office.
Yeah, I love it. All right, take us upstairs.
Let's start over here in the primary.
Have a nice big walk-in closet and a nice full bath.
Yeah. Lots of great features here. Includes a 2-car garage, extra storage. There's all replacement windows and doors.
And then back into the hallway, we've got another full bath and 2 bedrooms.
Yeah, all updated. The hardwoods run throughout this house.
Wow, this is a great one, Steph. You have to come check this out. This will not last. Steph, thanks for having us. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this has been your local look. North Granby, we're out of here. See you next time.